So Janet, how does it feel to be 21?
Feels pretty amazing. There's actually no difference to how I feel then. It feels awesome. I love it. And now I could go to places where everybody's been able to go to without me. The VIP place at the theater.
Okay, everyone say hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Yeah. So Morgan, oh jeez, that's what did you do when you were 21?
Well, it's a long story. Some other time.
So Lisa, what is your fondest 21st memory?
I went and visited my cousin in the hospital after she had her baby.
Oh, that is a good memory.
I know. I held my baby Jessica.
Morgan, what's your fondest 21st memory?
Well, I had a broken leg on my 21st birthday, and I tried to navigate Pioneer Square downtown with a broken leg on crutches.
I was in San Diego, and I was with my brother, and he's my best friend, so that was my fondest moment.
I turned 21 on Apple Blossom weekend. So, the parade?
It was an experience because I have never gone out like that, and I was a spotlight for everyone, so it was fun.